Now let's talk about AI. In simple terms, AI is like giving a computer a brain. It's about teaching computers to think like humans, to learn from experience, and to make decisions based on data. AI can analyze huge amounts of information and identify patterns that humans might miss. Imagine you're playing a video game. Every time you play, the AI learns from your moves and gets better at playing against you. That's AI in action. AI is used in many things you interact with every day, like recommending videos you might like, or helping you navigate with your phone. Section 4. A powerful partnership: AI and 3D printing. So how do AI and 3D printing work together? Imagine this. You want to design a new type of drone. You could spend hours tweaking the design on a computer, trying to find the perfect shape for the wings. Or you could use AI. The AI can analyze thousands of different wing designs and aerodynamics data to create the most efficient wing shape possible. AI can also help to improve the 3D printing process itself. It can monitor the printing process in real time, adjusting the temperature and speed to ensure that the final product is perfect. This means fewer errors, less wasted material, and faster production times. It's like having a team of expert engineers working alongside the 3D printer, making sure everything runs smoothly. Section 5. Shaping the future: limitless possibilities. The combination of 3D printing and AI has the potential to revolutionize countless industries. From manufacturing to healthcare, the integration of these technologies is paving the way for innovations we once thought were impossible. In healthcare, doctors are already using 3D printed implants and prosthetics that are custom designed for each patient. This means more effective treatments and faster recovery times. Imagine a future where you can print out personalized medicine tailored to your exact DNA. This could lead to more precise and effective treatments for a wide range of conditions. In manufacturing, companies can use 3D printing to create lighter and stronger parts for airplanes, cars, and even rockets. This not only enhances performance, but also reduces production costs and time. This means faster, more fuel-efficient vehicles that are better for the environment. The impact on sustainability could be profound, and in construction we could see buildings being 3D printed on demand, reducing waste and creating more sustainable cities. This could revolutionize urban development and housing. The possibilities are truly endless. Every industry stands to benefit from these advancements, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can only imagine the amazing things we'll be able to create together. The future holds so much potential. One thing is for sure, the future is going to be very, very exciting. The journey ahead promises to be filled with incredible innovations and discoveries.